welcome to my channel, Because Multitudes. My name is Shawnee, and I'm just so grateful that you're here today. If you're into lifestyle content, including digital planning, cooking, luxury accessories, vlogs, sneakers, Apple products, etc., then this is the channel for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, which is pretty obvious, by this Louis Vuitton box sitting here. But I just wanted to give you a little context into how I came across this product, how I ended up getting it. I've been looking for this SLG for a while and have not been able to get my hands on it. I just wanted to give you a little information on how I got it, how I came across it, and then we're going to just jump right into the unboxing and what can fit in my SLG. I was in Saks recently because I have a wedding coming up, and it's my wedding. It's like I have a wedding coming up. I am the bride, but I went to Saks to get some shoe inspiration. I don't have my shoes for my dress yet, but I do have my dress. And so I was looking around, didn't find anything that particular day, but I looked at the Louis Vuitton store within Saks and the line was short. So I said, why not? And because the line was short, I just went ahead, hopped in line. I was in there within like 5 minutes. So I went in and I was paired with this SA. Tiffany, if you're watching this, you're amazing and thank you so much. But her energy was just like so fabulous. She was just so nice, so accommodating, so like wanting to be helpful. And I really appreciated that. So I went in and I just started listing out all of the things that are on my Louis Vuitton wish list. I went in and I'm listing out all of these things and she's like, no, nothing is in store. And I'm like, hey, it's all good, no problem. And she was like, but take my number or give me your number, write down all of the items you want, and then I'll keep my eye on them for you. And I was like, okay, great. That's amazing. But I was like, and this was literally the last item I asked for. I said, hey, I know this is a Hail Mary pass. You never have it in store, but do you have a mini pochette? And she's like, I don't think so, but I'll double check. So she puts it in her iPad and it comes up that there is a mini pochette in the store. And I'm like, there's no way. So she goes and looks and looks and looks, and it's like 20 minutes she looks for this thing and it's just not in the store. And she was like, I did not think that we would have one, but I have your number. If I come across one, I will definitely let you know. So she texts me the next day. I found the mini pochette. I bought it over the phone and then I went and picked it up a few days later, and it was just a seamless transaction. Tiffany was so, gracious and nice and just wonderful to work with. But now it's time to jump into this unboxing. I am going to get some tight shots of this product for you all so you can see all of the details. And yeah, let's get into it. So I really wanted this to be a product focused shot so you all could see everything that's happening with this unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to remove the ribbon. I have to admit that I did take this ribbon off, and so
I don't even know how to. What in the world? I don't know, y'all.
Okay, there we go. I think I'm just gonna slide the ribbon the rest of the way off. So yeah, all right. I'm just gonna set that over to the side. And now, if you've never shopped at Louis Vuitton before, this is their standard box. This is not working, so let's do it like that. This is in there pretty good, isn't it? So this is the box and the dust bag. Nothing, really special about that. It does have the barcode and everything on the outside of it. So this is the product. So I'm just going to take our box now. Close that. I'll sit that up here. And now we can get into the pouch. So this is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire. It's very small, but I love the size because I use these types of pouches as catch-alls in my bag. So when everything started with the pandemic, I was really in a place where I stopped carrying huge bags. I'm that girl who has all the GM sizes. And during this pandemic, I've been carrying mini bags for the most part. So this is my mini pochette. And just to give you kind of a tour of the pouch, it's not very long or wide, but it is a nice size as a catch-all in a mini bag especially. You have this gold toned chain as well as the LV, of course, on the chain, on your zippered hardware. And this piece, if you can see that, was actually made in France. I know there are some Louis Vuitton purists who only want all of their pieces from France. I'm not a purist. I don't really care about that. And then, of course, the inside of the bag has the barcode and just your textile card, and has the general like brown tone interior, and that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is kind of a what fits in my mini pochette to see what exactly I can get in there, how many products I can fit, what I can actually use this particular piece for. All right, so when I think about packing a mini pochette, or when I think about a catch-all in a bag in general, I'm thinking about something that can hold things like your hand sanitizer or your AirPods Pro in the cutest little boba case, your flat pack of Kleenex, or your flossers, or any number of lipsticks, lip balms, lip glosses, mirror, pill case, things like that. Things that you don't want floating in your bag because when you need them, you absolutely need them, and you don't want it to be a chore to get to them. So this is kind of a not what's in my bag, but let's see what fits in my SLG. So I am going to start with the thing that looks like it may not fit, which is this flat pack of Kleenex tissue. And it actually fits perfectly, and there's still quite a bit of room in there to fit some other things. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my individually wrapped wet ones. You know, we are still in a global health crisis, so let's keep it cute and clean. Next, I have a lens wipe for my glasses. I wear glasses quite a bit due to my allergies, so those fit. Then I have cleansing wipes, 2 for my phone and then 2 general alcohol pads. And those should fit without any issue. And we still have room, y'all. This is great. So I'm next going to put in my old beat up Sephora pocket mirror that I got with like one of my gift cards a million years ago. I also have this plackers. I love flossies. I have to have floss like everywhere. So putting that in there, you start to see the pochette bulge a little bit, and I don't like that. I don't want to see any bulging with any of my SLGs. So as you can see, like with the items in here, my AirPods Pro could fit, like at least get in there, but we're not going to put so much stuff in here as to misshape the accessory. Let's check this hand sanitizer out. This one is too long, so this wouldn't fit either. But I'm thinking I might be able to get my pill case in there, and then I'm just gonna do a little bit of maneuvering. So yeah, the pill case goes in, and there's not much misshaping happening. There is a slight bulge, but I can definitely live with that. And then I have my 3 lippy products. So I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm, the OG. I have this maple bourbon lip balm from an indie brand called Honey Next Door out of Atlanta. And then my Jack Black Natural Mint and Shea Butter lip balm. And so those seem to fit okay. And I can close the pochette, but there is some bulging here in the corner. I'm not sure if that's really, I think from that angle it's pretty visible. So I'm just gonna go in here and I think I'll take out the Fenty lip gloss and go ahead and zip the Pochette up. So with these items, there's a little bulging here. I'm not really sure what that is. Oh, that's just a lip gloss. I can turn these in different directions to minimize the bulging and then put them one on top of the other. But this is just great. So you don't have to think about all of those little things that you'll need when you're out, but you'll already have them in a beautiful little carry-all with this super cute gold toned chain and have all of the items you need readily available to you. So the things that didn't fit well in here included my plackers, floss case, but I'm sure that if there were some other things I took out, I could fit this in there. The Fenty Gloss Bomb, just because of the unique structure of the tube, it may not be the best fit. My Purell Naturals was just too long with this longer nozzle. It just didn't fit. And then my AirPods Pro case could fit in there, but it'd probably be one of the only things that I'd be able to keep in there. So just to go back over what we fit into the mini pochette, we have our Kleenex flat pack, 2 individual Wet Ones wipes, a Sephora mirror, our lip balms, both of them, 4 different types of wipes, or 4 wipes, 2 different types, 1 lens cleansing cloth, and my pill case where I carry, needed medications for my allergies and other needed medicines. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was informative. I really hope you got a chance to see the utility of the mini pochette. If you think it's a good buy or not, I'd love to hear your comments below. And I just want to let you all know that I do own a Toiletry 15. So if you're interested in me doing a comparison video of the two, I'm more than happy to do that. So thank y'all so much for kicking it with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you were able to get more insight into the mini pochette. Thank you so much and I'll see y'all later. Bye.